This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth with Better Than Bouillon. This concentrated paste is a fantastic shortcut for rich, flavorful broth. Simply dissolve 1 teaspoon of the paste into 8 ounces of hot water. You can easily adjust the ratio to achieve your desired strength, whether you need a light stock or a robust broth for soups and sauces. It's incredibly versatile and saves a lot of time in the kitchen. To elevate your broth, consider adding fresh aromatics. Sautéing some chopped carrots, celery, and onions before adding the bouillon and water creates a deeper flavor base. Fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, or a bay leaf can also make a significant difference. Just let everything simmer together for about 10 to 15 minutes. This simple step transforms a basic broth into something truly special and homemade tasting. Once your delicious broth is ready, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in ice cube trays, then transfer the frozen cubes to a freezer bag. This makes it super easy to grab just the amount you need for future recipes. It's perfect as a base for hearty soups, flavorful stews, or even for deglazing a pan after searing meat. Don't be afraid to experiment with the various Better Than Bouillon flavors available, like roasted vegetable or beef, to suit different dishes. Always remember to taste your broth and adjust the seasoning before adding it to your final recipe. A little salt or pepper can make a big difference. For more kitchen hacks and great product recommendations, check the description below. You'll find links to some of my favorite items, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.